Hi, Karen here with our September recipe of the month, a calming focus inhaler blend. We're using 3 of my very favorite essential oils: sweet orange, lavender, which is the lavandula angustifolia, and frankincense carteri. These oils work well for adults and kids alike. Today we're using an inhaler, very easy to use, and I'll tell you all about it. There is 4 different parts to an inhaler: the cover, the inner part, then we have our wick, which we're just going to pop right inside, and then a cap to cover the whole thing. Our first oil is 4 drops of sweet orange. Kids love sweet orange. It's calming, but yet it's very joyful at the same time. We just are going to drop 4 drops right onto the wick. For an adult, you can double this recipe. Now we're just going to add 3 drops of our lavender right onto the wick. And then our last oil is 3 drops of frankincense. There we go. These are easy to use because you can keep them in your pocket, your purse, a backpack, your desk, and nobody knows you're using it except for you. Put the top on until you hear a pop. Shake it around a little bit. There you have it. And this is how you use it. You plug one side of your nostril, breathe deeply, and then do the other side. And you'll feel that calm but yet energetic focus that you're looking for, especially when you're needing to do a project. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you next month for the October recipe of the month.